trained. So you have to have a training plan associated with your validation initiative. Remember, migration can be significant, so don't forget that particular area. Use integrated test scripts and not necessarily functional test scripts. This is another gotcha with respect to validation. A lot of organizations use their unit testing test scripts, if you will, as in place of your integrated test scripts. If you have multiple modules or multiple systems integrated, you need to validate according to intended use. How are you going to use the system? Disaster recovery is also another key area. Make sure in your validation master plan that you have a disaster recovery strategy. Change control is essential. Make sure that your validation initiative is sustainable over time. Validation is a process, not an event. So you need to make sure that your system can be maintained in a validated state. And remember, if it's not documented, it didn't happen. So make sure that you have adequate change control over your validation documentation to ensure that your documentation can withstand the scrutiny of a regulatory audit. And finally, remember, just because your software vendors give you IQ, OQ, PQ protocols, IQ, OQ, PQ is not validation. Validation is a process. So as you go through this, make sure that you consider risk as a part of your validation initiative and make sure that you have a comprehensive strategy for your overall validation initiative. Use consultants where applicable and make sure that your process can be maintained over time and keep your systems in a sustained, validated state. Mike?
Thank you.